If you make adult-related content on TikTok, you might be risking your account getting banned on TikTok. To be in a safe side, you have to limit your profile on TikTok. Here's how to do it. Open your TikTok app, click on the three dots at the top right corner on your profile, and go to Settings and Privacy. Now go to Audience Controls. You're going to see an option that says Age 18 and older. It says limit your profile, feature videos, and live streams to those aged 18 and older. If you know you make content that are related to adult content, you need to turn this on so that you'll be on a safe side. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.